Galactic guides, I would like to call upon you for your assistance. I would like to connect with you in the understanding of helping serve others and developing this connection. What is it you would like to share with me today? Dear One, we are grateful for this connection. As you are seeing, we are, in a sense, utilizing your spirit team as an interface. At times, you'll notice when you are deeper in connection, you will be able to sense the difference in energetic states between your spirit team and those of us that humanity has deemed non-human intelligence. You will find intelligence across all factions of existence are uniquely similar. Humanity is not so different from that of which is among the stars, and many of you have understood that the human form, that of which you are in understanding of, that of which you experience in your day-to-day existence, is not unique to Earth. And so what we would like to share today is to help assist releasing your differences, especially among your human citizens of Earth. You are each uniquely similar and different. And with this, your understanding of the expression of each fractal of Source then becomes not so different from you and others. And so with this, we share that as you continue across the next unfoldment of your experience and the energetic states in which you will be partaking in, you will see different aspects of self, some of which seem so foreign to you now, as that has been suppressed or hidden or unacknowledged for so long. And as those versions of self surface, bring joy and compassion to those aspects of self. These are, in a sense, the same analogy of your experience of human life and what has been deemed non-human intelligence. You will see this assimilate into the understanding that even aspects of yourself can seem so foreign, so different, so far away from who you are now. But that is just what is happening. The unfolding of unity. Everything is intertwined, interloped, and of service to one another. Even what seems negative is, in essence, when the illusion is lifted, of service to you. And you can utilize this to better bring compassion and love to oneself. We are thrilled and grateful for this unfoldment. As these next 90 days, as we continue to connect, you will find that the height in which can be stored is no longer limited to the belief systems of the past. You are rewriting, overwriting, and repurposing so many aspects of this creation to be of service and unity to all those that desire to experience it. And you will see how this shifts dramatically over the next coming months. And with that, this is all that we desire to share today. We are grateful for this connection and deeply thrilled for the unfolding aspects of this creation. Thank you.